Hey guys, welcome to Frank's Handyman. Today we're going to be looking at a project that we're just starting this week, and it's probably going to take us this whole week, so it's going to be pretty much a series. It is doing a bunch of stuff on 3 bathrooms, and today we're going to start off. We're going to be doing a couple of things. We're going to start off in the first 2 bathrooms, and on the first one, what we're going to do is that we're going to reinforce the floor wood, and right here you can see that this is where the toilet goes. So we're also we'll be screwing some 2x4s under vertically and horizontally. That way it really reinforces the wood that we're then gonna as well screw on top. Then we're gonna be also taking all the sheetrock that's running all the way from this end to the very far left end. All of this, we're gonna be taking it out. And once taking that out, we're going to be working on the framing, just to make sure we always put down paper and we make sure to tape it down. That way we could walk outside and come back in and make sure that the floor does not get dirty. Right here, he's using the level to make sure that that's the line that he's going to cut to that end. Once he put the sheet of paper on the tub where he's gonna step to make sure it doesn't get dirty, then he started using the multi-tool to start cutting down all the sheetrock. At this point, he cut all of it, so he started taking it all out. Once taking all the sheetrock, he's got to also make sure to take out all the nails, because it just makes the process of putting the new sheetrock on a lot easier. Once taking out all the nails on the first bathroom, he moved on to the second bathroom, which is on the master bedroom. And he already lined up where he's going to cut up to that point. If you can see that line, that's where he's going to go all the way down to. And then if you notice right here, this tub does not hit the wall. So he's going to have to extend that wall right here. And this is one of the sections where he's going to have to do framing. And so he started doing the same process that he did on the first bathroom, as far as using the multi-tool to start cutting down all the drywall. And again, repeating the same steps as before, he started taking down all the drywall. Once taking out all the sheetrock, he started doing the same process again as taking out all the nails. And like I said, this is just going to make everything a lot easier when putting down the new sheetrock. Once getting done with that, he started cleaning up around a little bit, that way to make space, and that way you're more comfortable working and you're not stepping on a bunch of trash. Right here, he's just explaining this is where he's going to be doing the framework and extending the wall. That way, like I said, it could hit the tub. Once we cleaned up a little bit, he started measuring everything. And once getting all the cuts, we started cutting the boards. As he focused on the framing, we had our other colleagues start cleaning the other bathroom and cleaning out all the other debris. He was at a different job site, so he joined us on this one, and he started by helping us out with cleaning. Right here, he's putting down the nails diagonally, that way they hide a lot better. Once we finished cutting down all the vertical pieces of wood, he focused on the vertical piece of wood, the 2x4 that was going to be drilled to the ground. And this is going to be the first part for today, so stay tuned for tomorrow to see the progress that's going to continue out throughout the week.